Jai Hind students, welcome to ramashish.guruji, your RG channel, and today I'll be coming with the reasoning, coding, decoding. Okay, chalo, coding, decoding. So in your coding, decoding, main thing is what they used to ask you. Like main important thing, what is required is that what is the number of the like for example, A comes at which place? A comes at which place? 1. It is from forward position 1, and from A till Z, Z comes at 26 position. So from 1 to 26. Okay. Now from back what it will be? Z will be 1 and A will be 26. So this is a reverse and this is your forward. Both are important. Okay, both are important. Now A and Z we told easily that from front what it will be, from back what it will be. Okay, but what about the between numbers, between alphabets? P is there, Q is there, R is there, S is there, T is there. So I want both from back also and from front also. What is their numbering? Okay, so I will do it on observation, logical process. Now why I am coming with this thing? Because students, what they used to do, they whenever in exam when they get the sheet, okay, when they get the sheet, what they will do, they'll take the sheet first and they will write A, B, C, D. Many of the aspirants I have seen in the exam, and they'll write the numbering in the spare time because rough sheet is given first, so they will write. Now it is treated as unfair means. If you are caught, if you are seen, so you might be off of the exam. They'll put a charge on you and which it full life like exam kodukku mudiyadu. Once you are caught, full life you cannot give exam. It is treated as unfair means. What is the meaning of unfair means? Like how it come treated? The examiner or the invigilator can say that you, all the students, I have given A4 size paper only, same, you wrote and exchanged it with your partner. You wrote or you went to bathroom or something and there you exchange it. They may say anything. So it is treated as your unfair means. So adala pannu kudadu. And that is not required. I guarantee you after this it is not required. Okay, it will not required. I'll do it on observation process. Now let us check it out how the observation process work. Now see what I'll be writing. See, I'll be writing, see how A is there, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, so from A to M I have written. It's not show that my board is short, so I wrote from A to M. No. Observation, something is there why I stopped at M. Because when you will see the positions, to see position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I stopped at M because it is just the middle one. 13 is the middle one because from A till Z we have 26 letters. 13 is the middle one. And I am going with the observation process. Now what happened? When there is M, so again after M I will start N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so now you can see that this is your 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this is what the student used to write in their sheet, and whenever the question comes, so they will do. Now again, one more thing you need to write. I told from reverse is also very important. So from front it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14 till 26. But what is H from reverse? That is important. So reverse also I will write. So from reverse it will be, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now my theory comes, observation process. What is observation process? Let us check it out. Observation process means what? See, by observation, one thing is totally clear in this one. 26 plus 1, how much it will be? 26 plus 1, how much it will be? 27. 21 plus 6, how much it will be? 16 plus 11, how much it will be? 20 plus 7, how much it will be? 17 plus 10, how much it will be? Whatever you add of any of it, it will always be 27. Got my point? Whatever you add, see 14 plus 13, 27, 15 plus 12, 27, 18 plus 9, 27, 20 plus 7, 27, 24 plus 3, 27, 24 plus 3, 27, 22 plus 5, 27, 19 plus 8, 27. You add any two, always you will get what? 27. So see, two things logically I did, that I braked it here only. I was having behind logic, and I wrote the numbers in front because I wanted to show that addition comes 27. Correct? So now this mean one more thing, that is actually when 1 is known, second you can find out by subtracting 27 from it. So for example, I know A is 1 from front. So from last it will be 27 minus 1. How much? 26. For example, K is 11 from front. So from back it will be 27 minus 11, 16. Okay. T is your 7 from back. T is 7 from back. So front 27 minus 7, 20. Got my point? You know any, if you know of back, if you know of front, any one you have to know. If one you are knowing, the second you can find out just by subtracting it from 27. There is no need to remember the reverse series. If you know the forward series, if you are knowing the forward, reverse is not required. If you are knowing the reverse, then forward is not required. So generally students know the forward one. So reverse you don't want. If you are knowing that p value is 11, so definitely p value from reverse it will be 16. From front it will be 16, and from reverse it will be, from front it will be 11 and from reverse it will be 16. Okay, so just by subtracting it from 27 you can know that. Okay, now how to remember these all, that is also very much important. How to remember? See, one theory they told that two things are important. One is number you should know, and second, in front of what comes. Two things are very much important. Like if you are knowing G is 20, G is 7 from front. So G only you can find out from reverse also. 27 minus 7 is your 20. So G we will get it. But I want a T also, because G is 7 from front, then G minnadi enna T irka. Front of G there is T. So T will be 7 from back. That is very important observation. If G is 7 from front, so in front of G T is there, it will be from back 7. Both are 7. G is also 7, T is also 7, but it is from front, it is from back. J is also 10, Q is also 10. J is also 10 and Q is also 10, but back and front difference is there. Okay, M is your 14, 13 from front. then n will be 13 from back. Understanding my point? Okay, so front back means now what I have reduced, only one you should know. If you are knowing only one, so next is not required. So now due to the logical approach, this series is not required to remember. Only this is required to remember. In this also, only the forward is required to remember, reverse is not required. Now I am suppressing it. Very less things are required to learn. Now only this 1 till 13 is required. Okay, so let us check it out. I will not allow, like I will not let you to learn that also. With the trick we will learn that also. Okay, see, first thing you might be knowing one word very famous. It is known as EJOT. Do you all know EJOT? EJOT is a very famous one. Okay, it is actually 5 multiple. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is your 25, this is your 20, and this is your 25. Okay, EJOT. So you should know this EJOT word. If you are knowing this EJOT word, so 5 2 are 10, 3 are 15, 4 are 20, 25. So now I know these 5. So out of 13, now I know 5. So you will tell, sir, in out of 13, where is Y, where is T, where is O? So by, if Y is over here, if Y is over here, then B is not required. Only one side you want, because now you know that Y is how much? 25. Now you are knowing very nicely that Y is how much? 25. So Y opposite is B. So if Y opposite is B, so now Y is 25 from front. From back it will be 27 minus 25, 2. Now if this is 25, so this 2 will become for B, but from front, back change panit, front panit, and this front will now become back and 25. Only I was knowing one thing, that B value is 25 from front. Only one thing I was knowing, and I was also knowing that Y opposite is B. This only 2 things I was knowing, and because of these 2 things now I can say that 25 front la, 2 back la. Then this one will be from front to B is from front, 1 2 A B, and from back if you come it is 25. So just by knowing these 2 things, that Y is back of B and Y from front it is 25, just by knowing 2 things we can write all these things. So we want 2 things, that what comes in front of what. F க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கும்? U இருக்கும். Okay, E க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கும்? V இருக்கும். So this is first thing you should learn, and you should learn at what place it comes. Only 13 is required. Only 13 you have to learn. Okay, so out of 13, so I told you 5. Out of 13, 5 I have told you. Now rest how much is left? Ignore 8. 8 is more required. Now see 8. What is H actually? What is the position of H? H oda position என்ன இருக்கும்? 8 இருக்கும். So how to remember? Simply see, இதுக்கு உள்ள ஒரு 2 சர்க்கிள் போடலாம். 8 மாதிரி இருக்கா? அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். You can remember it like this. 8 make, and அதுக்குள்ள என்ன? You can put like this. So H is also cleared. H position is 8. Just before H, now you are clear that H is 8. So just before H, G comes 7. There is no requirement to learn. There is no requirement to learn. One more. I used to write I inge potirukka. G H I. This I is there, na? See, I used to write like this, and I is actually looking like 9. I looks like 9. So I would position enna irukum? 9. So I position will be 9. One more I got. So 5 plus 3, 8 I got. Okay, A B C D is not required to learn, because A is 1 2 3, 4. They are not required only. They are starting one. Everybody knows that A will come at 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 plus 5, 12. 12 letters we are done very easily. Correct, Dana? 12 letters we are done. For A, I know, B also know, C also know. Acha, B I am knowing it because of Y. B and Y both are matching. Okay. Now, one more thing you might be knowing that from this, J is 10. J is 10. From E dot E, J is 10. So J ka enna irukum? K. 11 it will be. Just after 1 and before 1 you will realize. You will be remembering. So K is your 11. Okay. Like that only, O is your 15. So P you can remember 16. P16 you can remember. See, before you were not knowing many things. Just because of these explanation, now you know thoroughly about coding decoding. How to code decode. See, knowing or just remembering is not a big thing. I want you to know thoroughly. I am just opening full A to Z. Just on observation, break it out and putting some maths, logical approach and solving. Okay. So now it is better than nothing. We were not knowing. Now it is becoming easy for us. Okay. So J, K, O, P and this side, this much now you know. Okay. Anything more you want? See, one more is you are knowing that I break that M. Always you will remember that I break it at M. I break it at M. So M will be definitely 13 because 26 half. So I break it at M only. So it will always be 13. So now positions I am knowing. Now the positions are known. Now I can tell any of the position. If I want the position of W, so W opposite is D and D is 4. So 27 minus 4 is 23. So W position 23. So we can know if any one of the position I am knowing, so I can now find out any of the position. Now what is important? I told if D I am knowing, so I can find out W. Now problem is whether what is in front of D, that is important. What is in front of D, now that is important. So for that now I will tell. Okay. So these all you can understand. Only 8 has the trick, I has the trick, and after that I told you how you have to follow. Like that you have to follow. Okay. Now see. Now how to remember. Okay. How to remember. Now see. Just tell her. So now opposite we want. Okay. Opposite if you go. So some of the words are there. You might be knowing. So A is from front, Z is from end. This is no requirement to learn. A is from front, Z is from back. So A ko minnadi Z irko, there is no requirement. A you are knowing 1, so Z will be 26. There is no requirement to learn this one. Okay. Next see. B and Y I have to learn. That in front of B what is? Y is there. This you want to learn. So B-O-Y, boy. You have to remember simply a word boy. If you remember a word boy, so B will be, B and Y are the frontiers for each of them. B opposite will be Y. B opposite will be Y. Okay. Next is C. You might be knowing one snacks is there. Other pair is cracks. Cracks or snacks varum. Parle, Parle-G, Pepsi, cold drink. That is there. Now when you go to watch out the movie, so adalo snacks kodupanga, snacks, popcorn and all. So in that one company is there, cracks. So from this you can remember C and X are opposite. If cracks you are not understanding, so X and X-ray dana, X-ray C. Doctor used to see the X-ray, C, X, appri relate panikla. Got my point? So C opposite will be X. Next, coming to D. You all are knowing whenever there is fear, which cold drink you should drink? Dew. Whenever you are in fear, so you should drink cold drink Dew. So D opposite is W. Okay. Why you all are preparing still? Why you all didn't get the job earlier? Because of love. Anna? Because of love. Either your family or something else. Correct, Anna? So L opposite is O and V opposite is E. So E also done. Whenever there is a problem to we Hindi people, Anna, something problematic, so we used to say Anna, oof. We used to snore what? Oof. Oof. All prachne irka. Oof. Like that kind of. Anna? So oof word is coming all the time. So U, F. U opposite is your F. Okay. So F also done. Then you might be knowing. Next one is Grand Trunk Road GT, or now the new one has come, GST. GST. So G opposite is T. Like that you can remember. You will remember. You don't have to remember these story. Nothing you have to remember in your full life. I am giving one word. When you will see D na, odane ungalku D vandrum. X na, X-ray C. Odane vandrum. It is very easy. Okay. Just you have to remember very few only. Okay. M. For M you should remember man. Okay. For M you should remember man. Fine. So M opposite is your N. This is also done. For L I should O. Solli koduthirken. L ka aga O irko. Okay. K. KP is there. K opposite is P. So PK movie was there. You are knowing PK movie. It was a very famous Hindi movie. So PK movie, or one of our side, one tobacco is there. That name is Kamala Pasand. So from there you can also remember KP. Still you are not able to remember KP, then enna vechikalam KP ku. So you thought of this much na, enna vechikalam KP kaga adu podum. You will remember lifetime KP. Enna vechikalam neenga yosittingala na, nammala avlo pesitana KP patti. We started talking about KP, so now this will be always remembered. Sir told everything, but he talked on KP. So KPs will be remembered lifetime now. Okay. One more you might be knowing, Jack and Queen. Kilvi pattirukingla? Jack and Queen. And the mari pairing yo, Jack and Queen. Jack and Queen also you can say, or Joker and Queen in our card play. Anna? So J opposite will be Q. Jack and Queen or J opposite will be Q. Joker and Queen in the card. From there you can get that. IR is there now. So Indian Railway. IR. Indian Railway. Okay. So like this you can remember all of them. One more is left. High School. High School you all are knowing na? Class 10th. High School. HS. Okay. So AZ, no need to remember. Boy, cracks or X-ray C. Dew, love would a VE. Oof, GST, High School, Indian Railway, Jack and Queen or Joker and Queen. KP, love would a yellow, man, MAN. Now you can remember all of them. Correct, Dana? It's fine. Is it okay? So all I have told how to remember. Fine, you can note it down, you can take the snapshot. Now let us check it out whether it is working or not. Whether it is working or not. Okay. So generally how question comes in SSC and all, in your exam. See, they will be asking you like this, A to Z. then P2, what will come? तो A opposite is Z, तो P opposite will be K. Correct था ना? हाँ चलो, तो like this they may ask you, है ना? They may ask you that anything they can ask you. For example, A and Y. Okay, A and Y. So they will give you C in narco. So now this is a tough kind of thing, है ना? Now see what will happen. It depends upon option. It depends upon option. तो option A ले B கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா? Then in option B suppose C is also there. In option C suppose W is there. Option D T is there. Okay, and option E none of these is there. What will come? W. So now अच्छा चलो W is not there. You are telling W many times ना. So I am putting it suppose X. Now what I'll do? So now see A oda position is na 1. Y position is, so A position is from front. Boy oda position is na boy BOY. I am knowing that it is how much? 2. If this is 2, so this will be how much? 27 minus 2, 25. Y oda position is na 25. Okay, 25. So okay, I did something wrong, na? So 25 plus 21 is 26. Actually in my mind what it was, that I wanted to add this as 26 only. Okay, so this is how much? 3. So inge enna irukano? 23. 23. And what will be 23 position? 23rd position enna irukum? So 27 minus 3 is how much? 27 minus 3 is how much? 4. So definitely by I want 23 na. 23 le enna varum? What will come at 23? So 23 le enna varum? Adukku na trick solla varala. I haven't told any trick. So 27 minus 23 enna 4. But for 4 I told na D. And D enna due. So kandipa idi W irukum. So inge enna varano? W will come. 23 plus 3. W is not there. None of these. Anna? Got my point? So this is the way coding works. Okay, fine, got it. Acha, one more I'll say. Now we'll have a bit practice. Okay, tell me what is the position of J? K. Position of J, numbering front la. I told na E jot T. E jot T. So 5 and na 10. J would position na 10. From back it will be what is 17? 27 minus 10 is 17. J को front लेना रखो Q, Jack and Queen. तो Q front position 17, back position 10. Q को front position 17, back position 10. J को front position 10, back position 17. Got my point? Okay. चलो, one more I'll tell. Okay. For example, T. T would position என்ன இருக்கும்? E jot T. T என்ன 20 இருக்கும். அப்புறம் T would முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கும்? What is in front of T? Alphabet. GST. So front it will be G. The meaning is from front this is 20 and this is from back. This is from back, this is from front. So from back this will be how much? 20 is there. So 27 minus 7, 27, 7. So from back if you will count now, so T will be 7. And from front when you will count, so it will be 7. G position will be 7 from front. So now you can find out any of them. Now you don't want to learn anything, any alphabet. You can find out any of the alphabet position back of it. What happened, Praveen? Tell me. Doubt regarding that? It's okay. So any of the alphabet you can find out position and its purpose. Okay. Now based on decoding and coding, what are the previous questions, we will be solving it. Okay, in our next class. Okay, that's all for today's class. Hope you all have enjoyed it. In the very next class, I'll come with the questions of previous year which were based on coding and decoding. Please comment if any queries are there. Do comment Jai Hind also. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.